Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to take a look at Tamiya's 45th anniversary RC model. Now this thing is so special. So 45th since 1976 by Tamiya. Now Tamiya is probably the most famous radio control company in the world. So they've released this kit and we are very, very lucky to have but one on offer for you guys. So I'm going to whip the top off, have a look in the box and see what we're greeted with. Alright, so we've got this beautiful box art here, the Vaillant Porsche. We've got 1976 45th anniversary. We've got official Porsche licensed hologram here. And now this car is based on the TAE02 SW chassis. So wasn't what it had 45 years ago, somewhat more modernized. Take the top off and have a look. I really like this nice touch here. They got the yellow, the red and the black of the German flag. We're greeted with this beautiful blow molded plastics to cover up. It's almost too nice to build this kit. We've got FRP, fiber reinforced plastic components here. Looks like top deck, shock towers. You can see here we've got a custom machined motor mount plate. Got this really special metallized build plate here, along with some other blow molded, looks like CVs, and we've got some springs there. I can zoom in up on there and just show you how special that is, guys, because a lot of us will never actually get to see one of these in the skin. These are very rare and somewhat exclusive, and these will never come back again, being a 45th model. So let's take, so what we're greeted with here is a letter. We've actually got a letter that's been printed up from Tamiya themselves, from the president of Tamiya, Shunsaku, and he's giving a letter to the owner of this kit, and it just goes into the details about why they released this very particular kit, the 934 Porsche, and how it started life 45 years ago. So a really nice touch. Yeah, hand signed and dated the 6th of August 2021. That is a great piece of history there. And then greeted in, I can take the zoom out a little bit. We've got the clear body shell. I'm not going to completely unbox this one, it's just too valuable. It's going to go to a lucky owner. So we've got here this beautiful box work. Like I said, it's nearly too nice to build this kit. Everything's all taped up, and how special is that? Really makes you feel like you are actually building a piece of history. Beautiful body shell, clear for you to paint in your own colors, of course. I'm tipping most people will exactly follow the box art. Beautiful little touches on the box here, internals as well. All those little extra details that are put in to make this a commemorative 45th model. Okay, well that's about all that we can look at. Like I said, I'm not going to unbox it. I will let the lucky owner do that. I'm going to put this back down very carefully. We'll box this one back up, and that's not going to see the light of day until the lucky owner makes it their own. Okay guys, well I'm Brett from Hearns Hobbies, and thanks for taking the time to have a look at the Tamiya 45th anniversary kit with me. Yeah, super special. I'm glad that we got to look at that one together. Thanks for watching.